Now let us look at the next question. Question number 6, which is taken from RBI Grade B Officers Exam 2007. The statements are: no man is a sky, no sky is a road, some men are roads. The conclusions we have to test are: no road is man, no road is a sky, and some skies are men. Let us see the working. Question number 6. The statement 1 is: no man is sky, no M is S. Statement 2 is: no S is R. Statement 3 is: some M are R. The conclusions we have to test are: no R is M. The second conclusion is: no R is sky. Yes. The third conclusion is: some S are M. M. Now let us see. Start from conclusion 1. R and M. Where is R and M? M is here. R is here. And it is also found M is here and R is here. Now we have got a situation where we can arrive at a mediate inference as well as an immediate inference. Both inferences are possible. Now let us derive. This is E-type statement and this is E-type statement. Let us first arrive at the mediate inference. S and S is cancelled. It is a common term which is properly aligned. And E plus E, no conclusion. So under mediate inference there is no conclusion, therefore it is false. Let us come to immediate inference. M and R are in the same statement. Some M are M, some M are R. What is the immediate inference we can draw? Some R are M. We cannot draw no R is M from this. So under both mediate as well as immediate inferences, you cannot draw conclusion 1. Let us go to conclusion 2. R is S. R and S. Where is R and S? R and S is in the same statement. No S is R. It is a E-type statement. From this, what is the conclusion we can draw? No R is S. This is a valid immediate inference. So conclusion 2 is correct. Let us go to conclusion 3. S and M. M is here and S is here. So we have to arrive at mediate inference, S and M. And also S and M is here in the first statement. Immediate inference is also possible. So let us first draw immediate inference. No M is S. From no M is S, can we draw some S or M? No. There is no immediate inference, is not possible, and therefore it is a wrong false conclusion based on immediate inference. Now let us look at the mediate inference. For mediate inference, we should use statement 2 and 3, and the statement 3 must be aligned. Let us see. No S is R. E-type statement. Some M are R. So we have to align the statement by converting some R or M. I-type statement. So R and R is cancelled. So the valid inference is E plus I. Every Indian is odd. O reverse. Some M are not S. That is the only valid inference we can draw. Some M are not S. From that we cannot derive some S or M. Here we are deriving some M are not S. From this we cannot derive the third conclusion, some S or M. So mediate inference also is wrong. Therefore, the only valid conclusion we can draw is conclusion 2. Let us look at the answers for question number 6. In question number 6, we have just now arrived, only conclusion 2 is possible, but out of the options given, only conclusion 2 follows is not there. The option only conclusion 2 follows is not there. First option is conclusion 1 follows, second is 1 and 3 follow, third is 2 and 3 follow, fourth is all follow, 5 is none of these. Therefore, the correct answer is none of these. So this is a little tricky question where we are arriving at a conclusion which is right, but that is not included in one of the options. Therefore, you have to be very careful in selecting the option also. As this is RBI grade B officers, the level of difficulty is slightly more. So the correct answer is none of these. Now, with this, we are coming to a close on drawing inferences for 3 statements under syllogism 2. Now you have only understood the concepts. For these concepts to become your own, for these concepts to be employed by you in the examination hall within the 25 or 30 seconds that is permissible for each question, it is very important you at least to do more than 50 or 60 problems and get these concepts become native for you. You should start owning these concepts. By just looking at it, you should know the answer. That is the time that is allowed in all the competitive examination. For that, you should do a lot of tests. Please, you have been given a very big test in the book. Please follow the test and take the test seriously and work it out. And what is important is, for all the tests, there is answers with explanations in BFIT portal called bfittest.com. Now take the test in BFIT test. You can take the test in BFIT test itself. Online you can take it and verify the answers then and there, which will solidify your knowledge of, concretize and solidify your knowledge of this subject, syllogism. Now I began, if you remember, when we started this syllogism topic, that this topic is both difficult and important. Now we have tried to reduce the complexities and difficulty levels by giving some simple rules and simple tables to remember. And the second part of my statement, that it is important, is the key. Nearly 10 questions to 15 questions will come. Definitely 10 questions will come, or at the least 5 questions will come. And if you master these techniques and practice these techniques, then you will be able to get a good chunk of mark in reasoning, which will give you a big lead in the total examination. Please remember, this is a competitive examination and every single mark is important. And if you master this topic, you will be able to at least take additional 10 marks, which is a big chunk. Thank you.